Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows cannot gain access to this hardware device code 46, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. Now here's the thing, no resolution is necessary. The hardware should work correctly next time you start the computer. This error is related when the driver verifier is enabled, and it means that all the applications have been shut down. Now what does this mean? So as you must be knowing, the driver is the connection between the hardware and the software of your system. So the hardware is connected, the hardware is all connected, and the driver can detect it, but the software has shut down. So what can you do in this case? Now the first thing is that you can run the driver verifier tool. Okay, driver verifier, or just type verifier here and open this verifier run command, and then you can create standard settings, next, and then you can finish it off very quickly. Make sure that there are no unsigned drivers, and then restart your computer, which will probably fix the problem. Right click on it, shut down or sign out, and then restart the program associated with the hardware. But let us say that there are some interfering programs which are not letting the software function properly, and that's why you're getting this error. In that case, a clean boot can be very helpful. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.